Hey guys, welcome to the podcast episode 168. This will be about a puppy love. This will be about a Matt Stevenson is an institute who suffers from social psychology under threat of possibly losing his job for hours working from home. His therapist says get, he get a dog as a way to rescue people. He adopted inquired Mr. King, Gaffer King, so Spaniel named her Corey Max works it and is a cutter and called Matthew. And my singer good pregnant goes her to mom and it makes her the new fiance. And her mother has given her younger daughter. Hogan gets mood ring, having given up on Cole, settled down. Overdriver when Cole apart ringing out. She bringing promoted it has center for her real estate company her mother bought her job. Taking from a style like she's not there. She openly going about Cole's life sources. Where Max goes to bed early, needing to like typical weekend nightlife. Cole is out doing shots and coming very home late. She adopts a homeless dog hanging around her bedding dumpster. After showing him kindness, after cleaning him, she named him Vegetarian. Both Cole and Max go on bubble, judging each other because of the dog pics. Many up in the park, he types in a couple of lines. Dr. your friend types battery math, OCD, and Cole intelligent behavior, result in the state. She gives him a ghost pepper hot spicy chicken, meant to be a type of syrup. If he hates, then Max asks Nicole the question to be well, then the dogs disappear, and then your father makes he is just turn it off. Then your person obviously far to never speak again. However, when Max and Nicole want the chasing F-Con co-parent, they are found to co-parent on animals. Many Auburn Park, they seriously the dogs are found to each other, so they agree to set up dog play dates in neither other homes. Shortly after Cole ran grief to her pickup of taking off some maps grief right stay. However, Cole then has to stay his worry. Cole temporarily brings in second-hand items. How she's standing with triggers his OCD taking a walk, clean math, no. So when he turns, he appears to conclude that his COVID-19 because Biden taking a serious girlfriend, turning version his OCD, or so representing with the internet kids, including to pay, so they agree stay natural. If they're spending more time together, Max is never return to work. They to Dougie with an obsessive bond, more include Max to go out and drink. He can feel thinking and meets her girlfriend alone. One of her clients, Hatter, who have the unsafe sexual the party. Returning to Matt to the rock dog. Hatter is recall. They wake Max, who ends up in Hatter he dog on a bike in a running coil wheel, using the door Hatter hiding close to the baby. Max kicks them both out on the phone here return. We're quickly through the weather. And Kurt returns in the bounty to together again. The human dogs in a road trip. For her art school interview, by getting ready to Kurt going to river. Moving to Kurt map and tell her better so right after they spend the night together, bring up first time she is surprised to be accepted into the opera program. The film ends a episode welcome to the world party. Puppy and graduation for Carl accepted. Alright guys, this episode, alright, that's it. Bye.